Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can tag someone on Pinterest. So to begin with, in order to tag some person in the Pinterest, whether this the pinned description or the comments to some post that you want to write a comment to, you have to know the username of the person, Pinterest user that you would like to tag. Usually the username is displayed after this little @ at any Pinterest profile. So once you learn this username, just open any comment section as I mentioned, or the description of something, and type in the @ and then follow it with the Pinterest username. Then pick the user from the list, and that would be it. Somebody was successfully tagged. It is also worth mentioning that in order for you to be able to tag someone, the user has to have their privacy settings configured such that the user or somebody allows other people to tag them. So that's also an important thing to consider. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.